Is there any reason to install a fuse disconnect along with heaters, or is this just overkill? No, it is not overkill. There are several reasons to install a fuse disconnect along with heaters. 1. Safety. A fuse disconnect provides overcurrent protection to the heater, preventing damage to the heater and potential electrical fires. A fuse disconnect allows for safe isolation of the heater from the power source during maintenance, repairs, or emergencies. 2. Code compliance. The National Electrical Code (NEC) requires fuse disconnects for heaters rated over 600 volts. Local building codes may require fuse disconnects for heaters of certain sizes or in specific locations. 3. Convenience. A fuse disconnect makes it easy to replace blown fuses or perform maintenance on the heater without having to access the main electrical panel. Some fuse disconnects include remote control capabilities, allowing for convenient operation from a distance. Now, let's consider overkill considerations. 1. Expense. Fuse disconnects can add additional cost to the installation. 2. Space requirements. Fuse disconnects can take up additional space in the electrical panel or on the wall. However, the benefits of safety, code compliance, and convenience generally outweigh the costs and space requirements. Therefore, it is generally recommended to install a fuse disconnect along with heaters to ensure safety and compliance.